In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo deleted chat in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever deleted a chat message in Teams by mistake, don't worry, there is a quick way to bring it back, as long as you act right away. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly what to look for and how to restore that message before it's gone for good. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams, either through the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. The undo option is most obvious right after you delete something, so you'll want to stay on the same screen where the deletion happened. Now, locate the chat where you accidentally deleted the message. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Scroll to the spot where the message used to be. Right after you delete a message in Teams, the app usually shows a small notification or a temporary banner near the bottom of the window. This message often says something along the lines of "message deleted," and importantly, it includes an option to undo the action. As soon as you see that small notification appear, look carefully for the undo button. It's typically right next to the text that confirms your message was deleted. This undo option only appears for a short period of time, so it's important to click it as soon as you realize you removed the message by mistake. Go ahead and click on undo. Once you do, Teams will immediately restore the message back into the chat thread, exactly where it was before. You should now see your original text message, image, or file reference right back in place, and other participants in the chat will also see it again. If you don't see the undo option anymore, that usually means too much time has passed, or the temporary notification has disappeared. In that case, you won't be able to restore the deleted message using this quick method, and you may need to retype or resend whatever you removed. Because of this, it's always a good habit to pause for a moment before confirming a delete, and to use the undo option immediately if you change your mind. And that's it. By watching carefully for the small notification and clicking undo right away, you can easily bring back a deleted chat message in Microsoft